Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find a personal access token on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official GitHub, so the page. Where in the top left corner we have the three lines where you have the home, issues, etc. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, you have your profile, your repositories, and those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find personal access token on GitHub. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, as I already told you, go and log into your account, then navigate to settings. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and then click on settings, which is one of the last options here. Then access developer settings. In the left sidebar, click on developer settings. So go on the left side and find the developer settings. When you found the developer settings, then what you of course need to do is click on personal access token in the left sidebar, then generate a new token. So click generate new token, give your token description name, and save your token. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.